Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorials, how to move model to layout. For example, I will draw rectangles in this model. You can create again circle and go to F4 layout. And if you want to move into this layout, the model objects, you can type M view, press enter, and then I will create like at this point. And then you can click the extend so to be show for the model in layout. You can double click to edit and you can scroll down, scroll up to resize the view. After it, click outside to close from this model view. Okay, to hide the border outside in this model view, you can use the layer tools, type layer, press enter, and I will create new. Okay, I will set the name into hide. After it, you can select the objects and then go to layer, set into hide. After it, you can check these icons to hide the border. You can see it will be hide. To show again, so you can check again this lamp icon. Okay, that's it for a basic NanoCAD tutorial how to model to layout.